Here we have a 2010 model Ford C-Max. It's fitted with the 1.8 diesel engine and it's got roughly 78,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this C-Max today, we're going to be changing the air filter, which is located in this box here. Normally this would be tucked further back, but this particular car, it's got a few gadgets fitted there so it doesn't go in properly. I'll take that off for now. The airbox on this vehicle is held together with 7mm bolts, so you'll just need a ratchet and a socket and an extension bar or a gun similar to this. And I choose to use a airline blower just to blow any debris out of the airbox once the filter's removed, but you can use a vacuum cleaner. Right, so we need to take the top off of this plastic box. It's got 7mm bolts holding it down. There's one tucked down in there. Right, try not to lose those bolts. That's it. You can see that's got a bit of debris in it, a few flies, bits of grass. There's my new one. As with all the parts on the car that I'm fitting today, they're not genuine Ford parts, these are aftermarket parts. As long as you take your registration with you to your supplier, they should be able to recommend the correct bits for your car. You should be able to pick up one of these air filters for around about £10, £10 to £15. Before I go and put the new filter in, it's a good idea to make sure there's no debris in the box there. There's a few little bits and pieces down the bottom. I've got an airline to hand, so I'm just going to blow that out. I will cover this up so none goes down the inlet. But obviously you could use a vacuum cleaner. Probably a little bit more sensible. Lovely. We'll get the air filter in next. Right, so this end has got a rubber seal inside it which needs to locate over that tube. That's it. Then this end, you need to squeeze this in and it slots in the airbox, in a groove in the airbox. You can see there's a little raised lip. So that's in place. I think that's home. Nice easy little job. I'll just rest this back in place. As I say, that should slide further underneath there and clip down here, but it doesn't fit due to that other box fitted under there.